Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth transition reels in Capcut. So if you want to level up your Instagram reels with smooth transitions and effects, in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how you can create pro-looking transitions using Capcut and troubleshoot if things go wrong. So let's start. You can start by opening Capcut and open your projects. You can import your clips in order, keep the shots tight and time for transition points. And don't forget to cut and position clips so you can trim each clips to and right before the movement happens. So I'm going to just trim it. You can trim just like this, for example, and this will give you better control over the flow and makes the transition look cleaner. And you can just tap on the small white box in between the clips to add smooth transitions like camera roll, spin, or pull in. So here, let's say I'm going to just add a spin transition. Just search for spin as the keyword and then you can choose which one. Let's say I'm going to just go with spin clockwise. Click on it and don't forget to adjust the duration for a more natural effect. Okay, and you can just click on apply if you want to have that transition to all your clips. And to really sell the motion, you can add sound effects that match the transition styles like swooshes, risers, or glitches. So it's here, let's say I'm going to just go to the audio, sound, effects. I'm going to add swoosh, sound. Click on it. Let's say I'm going to just add this one. Okay, click on the plus icon and you can preview the result if it match. Okay, as you can see, it will have that dynamic effect to your lips. And if you stuck with glitchy or laggy transition, you can try this quick fixes. You can just restart Capcut, delete and reapply the effect. So delete the current transitions that you use and reapply it. Or you can also try to clear the cache by going to settings, storage, and clear cache. And don't forget to also update the app. And boom, that's how you can create smooth transition with sound effects in Capcut. Like and subscribe if this helped, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.